Hi guys, this is the ASICS Super Blast version 1, and I just want to say that I hope ASICS doesn't discontinue using this foam, this FF Turbo foam made out of nylon. And the reason why I say that is because this foam behaves a little bit differently from all the other super foams I've tried, like TPEE, TPU, PBA, and PBAX. And It's got a rougher and firmer and harsher quality to the run that you get from running in this shoe, which is why I like it compared to the squishier and more comfortable um, type of foam that you get from the the beaded the beaded super foams. Now it's not that harsh. The This shoe is not that harsh to run in because of the second layer of foam that you get at the very bottom, which is in color blue when it comes to this colorway. I hope the Super Blast stays versatile like this because it's got an 8 mm drop, so it's a little bit high, but the slope is very gentle, which is nice. It's nice for someone like me who runs late stage and likes to forefoot strike. Now on this version 1, you can actually get away with you can probably get away with sizing half a size down if you're that conscious of weight, but it's already a very light shoe for this kind of stack height. This shoe is a very fun non-plated super trainer, and these are my thoughts for this shoe.